is and in this video I will show you some sunan that affect our body in positive way. And the point that I will discuss in this video is: first, the benefit of sleeping on the right side; second, the benefit of using the miswak; third, the benefit of eating dates in.
Hello, my name is Muhammad. Today I will talk about the forbidden things that Allah has forbidden us to do, which is harmful to our body. First, alcohol and their effect in our liver. Second, that pork and their effect in our body.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Humam. And today we are gonna talk about the benefits of prayer and its sections.
Okay, the first point. Why sleeping on the right side is good for your body? Because when you sleep on the right side, your stomach and your heart and your left lung will feel comfortable and they will do their function easily. Why? Because as you know, your right lung is bigger than your left lung because the heart is next to the left lung. When you sleep on the left side, your right lung will bother the job of the heart. Why? Because the heart will carry much weight because it gained from the right lung, so it won't doing its job easily. Okay, your stomach. When you sleep on the right side, your stomach will lie on your liver because the liver is much bigger than your stomach. Now, if you sleep on the left side, your stomach will carry much weight from your liver, and the consequences of that are delay the function of the stomach. Normally, when your stomach wants to digest the food, it will take from 2 to 4 hours. But on this situation, it will take much time to digest the food.
روى الشيخان عن البراء بن عازب قال: قال لي رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: إذا أتيت مضجعك فتوضأ وضوءك للصلاة، ثم اضطجع على شقك الأيمن، وقل: اللهم أسلمت نفسي إليك، وفوضت أمري إليك، وألجأت ظهري إليك، رهبة ورغبة إليك، لا ملجأ ولا منجى منك إلا إليك، آمنت بكتابك الذي أنزلت، وبنبيك الذي أرسلت، فإن مت على الفطرة.
Okay, let's go to the second point. We always know that the dates have so many benefits, such as dates are highly nutrients, aids healthy bowel movement, improve brain functionality. In Ramadan, Prophet Muhammad, when he wants to start eating, he starts with dates.
إذا أفطر أحدكم فليفطر على تمر فإنه بركة، فإن لم يجد فليفطر على ماء فإنه طهور.
The reason why the Prophet Muhammad start with dates, because when you start with dates, your body will obtain some benefit. Some of these benefit is dates are among the nutrients that can be digested and absorbed in the body very quickly, and it active the body and provide it with the energy that needs. Eating dates in Ramadan helps to digest the complex nutrients such as the carbohydrate and the protein shortly after the iftar. It treats many digestive problems such as the constipation, as it contains a large amount of fiber, and it regulates and supports the functioning of the digestive system. The last thing, the miswak. The miswak is a piece of wooden from the roots of arak tree of the Salvador Brassica family, and the benefit of the miswak contains a substance that kills germs to prevent the spread of disease in our mouth, and it also contains strong and soft and durable natural fibers that are harmless to the gum, and it efficiently and effectively removes what remains in our mouth and what stick to our teeth from food. The second point, it It is used as a treatment of children's tooth decay because it contains fluoride and it contributes to healing wounds and crack in the gum.
لولا أن أشق على أمتي لأمرتهم بالسواك مع كل صلاة.
Okay, the first point, the liver is one of the most important organ in the body after the heart and brain, and the reason for this is due to vital and essential role it plays in eliminating toxins that enter the body. It also performs more than 90 functions inside the body. That is the factory to expel toxins from inside the body. Alcohol damages the liver in one of the most complex organs in the body, and it is responsible for many functional filter toxins from the body, regulating the level of cholesterol and the blood regulating blood sugar levels. It must be noted that liver cells are unable to run away themselves, and it takes a long period of time to developing new cells, and on the other hand a number of liver cells die every time alcohol is filtered from the blood, and there before drinking for long period it leads to severe liver damage.
أيها الذين آمنوا إنما الخمر والميسر والأنصاب والأزلام رجس من عمل الشيطان فاجتنبوه لعلكم تفلحون.
Okay, the second point. The pig is one of the animals that feed on all the excrement, their traps, and even that output of other animals that you find in front of it. Pigs carry about 30 diseases which are transmitted to humans directly through communication with them or by eating their meat. With fiery diseases due to the parasites and worm that the pig eats, which are present in its meat, which leads to infection of the human being when a viral infection in eating pork and its symptoms included diarrhea, vomiting, fever, confusion, and dehydration, and in some cases the patient may need intervention medical because this bird size from any antibiotics to the drugs. Heart diseases because pork contains large amount of harmful saturated fats which raise the level of harmful LDL cholesterol in the blood, leading clogging of the arteries and increase the risk of heart attack.
إنما حرم عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير وما أهل لغير الله به فمن اضطر غير باغ ولا عاد فإن الله غفور رحيم.
Takbir is the beginning of the prayer and starts by raising the hands. There is an even distribution of weight through both feet throughout the practice of Qiyam posture. This will ease the balance of the body and lower back brought into a neutral position whilst activating the core muscles at the same time. This position aids to straighten the back and improves postures. This position stretches the paraspinal muscles of the lumbar spine, hamstrings and calves, gastrocnemius and soleus muscles. It strengthens the back, extends the spine, and increases the flexibility of hips and hamstrings. It relieves the stiffness at the spine, neck, and back and helps it to improve posture as well as balance and coordination. The position of maintaining the lower back flexed and forehead resting gently on the floor allows the postural neck muscle to be activated in order to control the neutral head position in lowering down. The knees forming a right angle allow abdominal muscle contraction to be activated and prevents flabbiness. This pose, muscles at the front of the ankle and foot are stretched. It stretches the tibialis anterior, the quads and gluteus muscles, while knees and hips are flexed. Rising up after jalsa to continue other rak'ah, involves activities like deep squats as well as full to half kneeling postures. With erect postures, more spinal stability is gained. All these physical activities can be used to treat joint or muscle injuries and core coordination and balance reeducation. Salam is an excellent form of neck and upper vertebrae exercise. The head performs rotational movements over the cervical vertebra. This improves the range of motion of the neck and whilst stretching the trapezius fibers. It also helps to mobilize the upper back and the thoracic muscles. These gentle neural stretches and cervical rotation are effective and may reduce the symptoms of cervicogenic headache.